Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see how we can quickly navigate in ServiceNow with the help of Filter Navigator. How we can use the Filter Navigator efficiently so that we can achieve our goals very quickly. Okay, right now we are logged in as our own user in ServiceNow and we are going to click this all and then we are going to click this pin icon so that it will stick on the left hand side of the window. Now the first point we are going to see how to get the configuration details of a particular table. So we are going to see how to use a filter navigator so that it will reach the configuration details page very quickly. So the filter navigator we are going to use is called table backend name.config. So we are going to write table backend name.config in the filter navigator. So we are going to use user table for demo purpose. So we are going to write the backend name of a user table that is called sys_user.config and we are going to hit enter. Now in this we will see the configuration details like how many business rules, client scripts are associated to a particular table. So we can see there are 29 business rules, 5 client scripts, 63 dictionary entries are related to a particular user table. Okay, that's how we can quickly jump to a configuration details. But if you don't know this filter navigator, then how you have to reach this page? It means that you have to take a long path and we are going to see that how. So we are going to write users and we are going to select the user module under system security. And once the page loaded, okay, the page is loaded, then we have to click on this 3 dots, configure and click on all. So you will see the similar page as we have seen before. Just give a moment, it is going to be tabbed format. And now you can see that there are 29 business rules, 5 client scripts, 63 dictionary. But we have to take a long path. You have to write user, then go to the users module, then click on this 3 dots, after that on config, then all. But with the help of filter navigator things, we can reach quickly to a particular place. So we have used table backend name.config to get the configuration details of a particular table. Next, we are going to see how to get list of records for a table quickly by using the filter navigator. For that, we are going to use the filter navigator that is called table backend name.list in small letters, table backend name.list in capital letters. So we are going to see the difference between what is the difference between dot list in small letters and list in capital letters. For this purpose, we are going to use the change request table. So we are going to write the backend name of a change request dot list to get the list of records of a change request. Okay, so we are going to write change dot underscore request dot list. As you can see that there will be the list of records for the change request will be displayed. So now we can see that there are list of records related to change request. That's how we can use this dot list functionality to get to the particular table list of records. Now what is the difference between small letters list and capital letters? So right now we have used the small letters ones. What was that? Change underscore request dot list. What it does is that it is going to open the list of records in the same frame. As you can see, it is going to open the record here only. So this can cause a problem if you're working on something else. Suppose if you're working on incident and now here the list of records of incidents are opened and you're going to also open the list of records of change request, but you don't want to remove this incident list of records, so you can use, instead of small, you can use dot capital letters of list. So you're going to write change request dot list in capital letters. This will open the list of records related to the change request in a new tab. You're going to hit enter. As you can see, the list of records for change request are open in a new tab. So this was the difference between dot list in small letters and dot list in capital letters. Next, we are going to see how to open a form of a particular table. How we can open a particular table form very quickly using the filter navigator. For this, we are going to use table backend name dot form in small letters and table backend name dot form in capital letters. So you can guess what will happen if we use dot form in capital letters. Any guesses? Yes, you are correct. The form will open in a new tab. So we are going to take an example of an incident form. So in the filter, we are going to write incident dot form in small letters. So we are going to see the form of our incident in the same frame. Okay. Now we are going to write incident dot form in capitals, where the form of incident will open. Correct, it will open in a new tab. Okay, so that's how you can open a form of a particular table using the filter navigator very quickly. If you don't know this filter navigator, then what you have to do, you have to follow the long path. Is that you have to go into tables, and under system definition you have to click on this module that is called tables. Then you have to find the incident table. This is the name which we also call the backend name of a table. So we have to write incident. Once it searches, we have to open this one, incident. Then we have to scroll down, and here we have to click on this show form. So this is going to show the particular form of our incident, which we can access quickly using dot form and dot form capital letters. Just like this, we can also see the related list to a particular table. So we have to click on show lists. So now we can see the related list of the records to a particular table, which we can achieve using dot list and dot list in capital letters in filter navigator. We don't have to follow this long path. Next, we are going to see three filter navigator shortcuts, that is called table.do, stats.do, cache.do. Table.do is similar to table.form in small letters. So what it does is that it is going to open a particular form on a same frame. So we are going to take an example of an incident. Write incident.do, and it will lead us to the form of an incident. Okay, this is similar to table.form in small letters dot form. Okay, next we are going to see cache.do. So what does cache.do will? It will help you to clear the cache memory of your instance. Okay, so what we have to write here, cache.do, and in the same frame we will see the garbage collection and after garbage collection, and you can click on this link that is called clear cache. So with this help you can clear your cache. Just you have to write cache.do in filter navigator. Next we are going to see stats.do. What stats.do will do is that it is going to give the information of your instance, the statistics of your instance. We are not going to see it here because it gives the detailed information of your instance. So you can try it on your instance. Write stats.do and hit enter. Then you will see what all the information of a particular instance, like what is the version of an instance, or what is the ID of an instance, all detail of an instance will be present in the same frame. Lastly, we are going to see a shortcut way of reaching to a particular module. So what you have to do is that you have to write the last letter of a first word and the first letter of a second word. Suppose you have to reach the maintain items module quickly, so you can write N and I. So you can see that ServiceNow by default highlighted what you have written in filter navigator, N and I, and I, and I. So you can reach the particular modules using this shortcut. So if you want to go in maintain items, we can go very quickly using N and I, and we will see maintain items here. We can click on this and we can create our service catalog. We are going to discuss service catalog in another video. So this was the shortcut to reach a particular module. The last letter of first word and the first letter of a second word. Then you can reach quickly to a particular module. Now you must be wondering how we are able to learn the table name. How we were writing very quickly change underscore request dot list sys underscore user dot list. Firstly, this will come by practice, and secondly, if you want to find the backend name of a particular table, then you can go and visit this table that is called sys underscore db underscore object dot list. So this is the same table that we have seen, but we have seen using the application navigator. How we have reached here? Tables, system definition, select this. So this thing and these things are same, but from the URL you can see the backend table name of a particular module if you want to select. So for this module, what is the backend table name? In the URL you will see this particular highlighted one, from this to this. So this is the backend table name of this table module. For any module, client scripts. So this is the module. We select on this. Now we can see the client scripts are opened. And what is the backend name of a particular module? So this is the backend name. Okay, sys underscore script underscore client. Okay, so for the trick is that you have to search underscore list dot do. Before that, this is the table name for a particular module. That's how you can find a table name of a module. Now if I'm going to write like this, sys underscore script underscore client dot capital letters of list, then we are going to see the client scripts related list in a new tab, and this is similar to this. Alright, otherwise you can go to the tables and write a table label, or just like we have to find for change. So we can see there are many change. So we are using the change request. This is the backend name for the change request. Alright, that's how you can see what is the backend name of a particular table. Okay, try these shortcuts on your instance. If you find any difficulties, write your queries in the comment. Until then, like the video, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.